These Lentil Street Tacos come together fast, loaded with color, spice, and that street-style flavor you can whip up right at home. You'll need cooked lentils, brown or green work best, plus onion, corn, bell pepper, and a few simple spices. That's it. Real pantry power. Add a drizzle of olive oil, then saute onion until soft. Next, toss in lentils, corn, and bell pepper. Let the colors wake up. Season with chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Add a splash of water or broth so the spices coat everything. Let it simmer a minute. A little squeeze of lime or a dash of hot sauce takes these from simple to street-style bold. Spoon the lentil mix into warm taco shells or pitas. Top with lettuce, salsa, or a few diced onions, whatever you have on hand. Quick, colorful, and full of flavor. These Lentil Street Tacos turn pantry staples into a mini fiesta. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.